Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs technical support team. In this series, you will learn how to integrate with PayTabs through our PT2 API endpoints. And here, we will walk you through the third integration type, which is the managed form. For the purpose of this series, we have created a very simple Laravel project to walk you through the integration process. But feel free to follow the steps in this series with your own project, whatever the programming language or the framework used to integrate with PayTabs. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn more about one of our token-based transaction, which is the requiring CVV token-based transaction. So, let's get started. The first thing you should know is that you can find the full details for this part inside PayTabs support portal under the article called the Managed Form APIs Integration Manual. Now from the integration manual, if we navigated to step 3 over here and from step 3 to token based transaction, after that we have created the token in the previous videos, we can see now that we can use this token to either initiate a recurring payment like the previous video or initiate a requiring CVV, and that's what we are going to learn about in this video. Now, the requiring CVV is actually done via the hosted payment page. So simply what is happening is after that you have tokenized your payment and you have created a token, you have saved the token, you can use this token inside a normal payment request for creating a hosted payment page that only has the CVV as a required. So what we are going to do is actually we are going to send a normal hosted payment page request, which means we are not going to need the payment token created in our managed form, this payment token over here. Let's get back to the managed form. As you can see, we are not going to initiate a managed form request actually, so we don't need this payment token. Instead, we are going to generate a normal hosted payload. This normal hosted payload can contain any of the hosted payload we need, but the difference here, we are only going to use the token and the transaction reference that we have previously used. We can add it down here inside the request payload, and that's it. Now you are going to initiate a very simple requiring CVV only transaction. So now after we have saved the token, we are going to use it over here, and let's initiate a payment where we are going to fill out our customer details, maybe using the shipping details and just providing any details normally as any hosted payment based CVV. And now once we proceed to payment, you will see that this payment page is only requiring your customer to fill out his payment details, or actually to fill out his CVV, and once he fill out the CVV, the payment will be done and he will be redirected back to your server just like that. So this is just a simple idea about how we can use a token-based transaction, which is requiring the CVV only from your customers. And now we can move to the next part.